You need some more? Did you eat all your fishies? What is Lena doing? She a little...
No!
Say, what are you doing, Lena? We're having snack. We took the dogs to the park. Did we go to the park?
Huh?
What did we do at the park? Did you play with a ball?
More.
Say, please, sit down, please. If you sit down, I'll give you some more. Hold the top out. Here, put it right here. All right, this is the last little bit because I think you've had plenty. Okay. Don't you want some water? No water? All gone. Lena's gonna eat your snack.
Yeah.
Lena is loving your snack. All gone. You got one left. Here, get that one out of there. That's the end of your snack. All gone. Lena, you didn't get all the fishies. Lena missed some. There's some still down there. See them? Oh, there she goes. What do you need? You want some water? Should have a clean diaper. Looking at some pictures? No, ma'am. I don't think you need to reach for that Gatorade bottle. You want some water? You can have your water. Here's some water. Good job.